When all of your technology depends on your IT network reliability, you need a team who can maintain that system at all hours. ISTT offers 24/7 network support and security so you can avoid emerging issues. Our IT network team is SOC 2 certified. Therefore, you can trust us to keep your data fully safe and secure. It also means that we can detect potential compliance violations as well as possible threats. And we can help you design your ideal IT network. Our team can work alongside you to procure the right technology and implement it. This includes Wi-Fi and VPNs. We will also provide proactive cloud computing support. We can troubleshoot and resolve cloud-based issues if they appear, and guide you through your migration process if needed. Additionally, we can help you plan your IT network roadmap. That means that we'll provide a VCIO to work with you to help you optimize how you use your IT network assets. After over 25 years in business serving over 113 unique clients, we've created a proven process that allows us to respond to your network issues in as little as 12 minutes. Let's hear from some of those 113 clients. Others have noticed how our scalable services can grow alongside their business, and how we always treat their success as our success. Don't settle for anything less than the best when it comes to your IT network. Reach out to ISTT today to discover the difference a high-performance IT network can make to all of your systems.